What if I told you there's a new BMW so exclusive, it's rarer than some Ferraris and Lamborghinis? In a world of mass-produced cars, BMW has quietly dropped a masterpiece, a vehicle so limited it's already a legend. It's not a supercar, and it's not a sedan. It's a stunning work of art on wheels. This is the new BMW Speedtop, and only 70 will ever be made. What makes a car this exclusive, this beautiful, and this ridiculously expensive? You're about to find out. This isn't just another car. It's a moment of pure automotive artistry. For decades, BMW has obsessed over creating the ultimate driving machine, but with the Speedtop, they've elevated that to a new level. This is a car for the discerning few who see vehicles not just as transportation, but as a collector's passion. Its very existence is a statement by BMW, a powerful declaration that they have not forgotten the art of bespoke, handcrafted automobiles. This launch matters in the current market because it signals a potential shift back to a focus on design and exclusivity, standing in stark contrast to the modern trend of mass-produced vehicles. The Speedtop's intended audience is not the general public. It's the elite collector who demands both performance and unparalleled artistry. But does its performance live up to its stunning looks? And for a car this rare, can we even call it a car anymore? We're about to take a closer look. All right, let's get into the details of this magnificent car. First, what's impossible to ignore? The design. The BMW Speedtop is what's known in the car world as a shooting brake, a rare and elegant body style that blends the practicality of a wagon with the sleek profile of a two-door coupe. It's an instant head-turner, and frankly, a welcome departure from some of BMW's recent designs. Its front end features a modern take on the classic shark nose, flowing into a long, sculpted hood with two framed air outlets. A central spine runs seamlessly from the hood, over the roof, and to the rear spoiler, a design cue so unique it has its own name. The car sits on stunning, two-tone, 14-spoke wheels, and the whole profile exudes a sense of timeless elegance and purposeful motion. Now step inside, and you'll immediately understand who this car is for. The Speedtop is a strict two-seater. There are no back seats. Instead, the space is dedicated to a bespoke luggage compartment, a detail that was crafted in collaboration with the renowned Italian leather company Schedoni. This isn't just a car, it's a grand tourer built for an exclusive weekend getaway. The interior itself is a work of art, a rich two-tone leather cabin with intricate brogue-style perforations. The central spine from the exterior is mirrored inside, forming an illuminated light beam in the headliner that provides atmospheric, indirect lighting. The attention to detail is truly breathtaking. But, as stunning as the design is, the real story lies beneath the surface. The Speedtop is based on the platform of the legendary BMW M8. This means it's powered by a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine, the most powerful V8 in BMW's current portfolio. We're talking 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. These are serious numbers that give it a blisteringly fast estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 3.0 seconds. While its performance puts it in the supercar league, its grand touring nature means it's about more than just raw speed. It's about a feeling of effortless, powerful motion. Yet, despite this incredible level of power and luxury, the Speedtop isn't without its surprising limitations. And what about that price tag? Is it truly worth the astronomical cost? And, for a car this exclusive, is there even a chance you could buy one? That's what we're going to discuss next. All right, this is where we separate the dreams from reality. The BMW Speedtop is undoubtedly a masterclass in controlled elegance, and it delivers on the promise of being a truly high-performance machine. The sheer fact that it packs a 617 horsepower V8 into such an elegant, grand touring body is a feat of engineering. The smooth, effortless power feels less like a brute force assault and more like a private jet on four wheels, with a roar that's both aggressive and refined. The level of craftsmanship, from the two-tone leather interior to the custom Schedoni luggage, is absolutely phenomenal. It's not just a car, it's a mobile art gallery. This is the ultimate expression of bespoke luxury. But here is where things get real, and for 99.9% of us, this is the turning point. The BMW Speedtop isn't just a car, it's an heirloom. Only 70 of these magnificent machines will ever be built, and as of today, they are already sold out. The price? A truly jaw-dropping figure in excess of $500,000. So while the Speedtop is undeniably a pinnacle of automotive art and engineering, its biggest drawback is also its defining feature, its exclusivity. It's a car designed for an audience of one, the ultimate collector with a bank account to match its sky-high price. So, the question remains, is this a worthy successor to BMW's legacy of ultimate driving machines, or is it simply an overpriced collector's item? The answer to that, and our final verdict, is coming up next. Where does that leave us? The BMW Speedtop is not a car for the masses, and it was never meant to be. It's a statement, a testament to what's possible when a brand prioritizes art and passion over mass production. It's an automotive masterpiece, a flawlessly executed blend of classic grand touring elegance and modern performance. The pros are a long list of highlights, a stunning shooting brake design that honors BMW's heritage while pushing a new direction, a powerful, soul-stirring V8 engine, and an obsessive attention to detail with bespoke craftsmanship that makes it a true collector's item. It represents the best of German engineering and is a genuine piece of rolling art. The cons, however, are just as definitive. Its biggest drawback is its defining feature, a price tag in excess of $500,000 and a production run of only 70 cars, making it an unobtainable dream for nearly every car enthusiast. This is a car for a very specific audience, the ultra-wealthy collector who wants a piece of history and a vehicle that is as much an investment as it is a driving machine. But don't let that get you down. The Speedtop's significance isn't about who gets to drive it. It's a design flagship, a conceptual leap that proves BMW is still deeply committed to elegant, driver-focused cars. Its success sends a message that will undoubtedly influence the style and direction of future BMW models, inspiring more graceful designs that balance sportiness with sophistication. So the verdict is clear. The BMW Speedtop is more than just a car, it's a triumph. But now it's your turn. If money were no object, would you add the Speedtop to your collection, or would you stick with a classic Grand Tourer? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exclusive look, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.